Next in CSS, we are going to do transition, which allows us to change elements property from specified property to some other property smoothly. So this is our basic HTML code, and within body section, this is our paragraph tag, and here this is our text. And here within head section, this is our style tag, and here I'm giving formatting for our paragraph. Here I want that width of the paragraph should be I'm giving it 200 pixel. I want height to be 200 pixel, border to be 1 pixel, solid black, background color I want is to be Dodger blue, border radius we are selecting is 5 pixel, color of font should be white, font size I'm giving is 50 pixel. Save and go live. So this is our box. Next, we want that whenever we hover over this box, that means whenever we are bringing our cursor over this box should increase in size. And whenever we are removing cursor from this box, it should decrease in size. So for that, here I'm giving hover effect to this paragraph. We want that its width should increase to from 200 pixel to 400 pixel. Similarly, its height should increase from 200 pixel to 400 pixel. Font size is 50 pixel, so I want that it should also increase. So font size I'm giving is, initially it was 50 pixel here, so here I'm giving is 100 pixel. Save and so this is our paragraph. Now I'm hovering up my cursor over it. It is increasing its size, but it is not smooth transaction. It is like it is occurring suddenly. So what we have to do here is we have to give here transition effect. We want that transition should take 2 seconds. Save and now it is increasing its size smoothly. And whenever we are removing our cursor from it, it is decreasing its size suddenly. So what we have to do here we have to give one more thing, p not hover. That means whenever we are removing our cursor from that box, then its width should again reduce to 200 pixel, height should reduce to 200 pixel, and font size I again want it to be 50 pixel. Here also we have to give transition, otherwise it is going to reduce its size suddenly. So here we are giving transition effect of 2 seconds. Transition will take 2 seconds of time. Save and has increased in size, and whenever we are removing it from the box, it is reducing its size. Next thing we are going to do is transition delay, which defines how much delay we want in transition. Like here right now I'm putting my cursor over this box, it is increasing its size and now it is decreasing its size. I want that when I put my cursor over this box, after that, after 2 seconds after that, it should increase its size. And whenever I remove my cursor from this box, after that 2 seconds, it should decrease its size. So here I'm giving transition delay. Delay, and here I'm giving it as 2 seconds only, and here I'm putting transition delay to 2 seconds. That means when we put our cursor over that box, it is not going to increase its size suddenly. It will wait for 2 seconds and after that it is going to increase or decrease its size. Go live. Now my cursor is on the box. It hasn't increased its size. 2 seconds after it, it is increasing its size. Now I'm removing my cursor from this box. After 2 seconds of that, it is going to reduce its size. Next thing is transition duration. That means uh, how much time this box is going to take from increasing its width and height from 200 pixel to 400 pixel. I want that it should increase its size up to 5 seconds. So for that, here we have to give transition duration, and here I want to give it to 5 seconds. And when we remove cursor from that box, it should reduce the size up to 5 seconds. Duration to 5 seconds. Save it, and so this is a box. When I put my cursor over it, after 2 seconds of that, it is going to increase its size uh, for 5 seconds. Now it is increasing its size slowly. And when I remove my cursor from this box, after 2 seconds of that, it is going to reduce its size to 100 pixel width and 200 pixel width and 200 pixel height for 5 seconds. So this was our transition effect in CSS.